Hey everyone, so I've got my GAN charger here. This was sent to me by the seller, so I can go ahead and show you all the features. In this review, what I want to do is answer all your questions, so just stick around. We got 720 watts. It is a GAN charger, so it's super fast. That's what I love about GAN chargers. I've got several of these in my home, and I love the way they go ahead and charge all my devices really quick. We've got 8 ports here. Now below each port, it's going to let you know the amount of power. Of course, it's going to add up to 720 watts. We've got a total of 8. We've got 2 USB-A. Each one of these has a power of 20 watts. And then we have 6 ports here. Now, all these right here are actually 100 watts until you get up to the last two. Those are for any high-powered devices. These are 140 watts apiece. So 280 watts just right here, which is fantastic. And then when this is turned on, this actually lights up here at the bottom. It's got a good, nice stand here. So it's going to sit there stable. It's not going to move around. Anti-slip bottom right here. And you can see here it's just a nice compact size. We've got some ports here for air cool. And then this is where we're going to go ahead and plug it in. I love that I can just kind of sit this on my desk, charge all the devices that I need to, especially at night. I'll go ahead and charge up tablets, watch, phones, things like that. With over voltage, over current, and over temperature protection, and with all those 6 C ports and 2 USB-A ports, I mean, this is really everything you need. Hope you found this helpful.